Hi guys, today I wanted to show 5 cool tips for the camera of the Samsung Galaxy S22 device. So the first tip is being the fact that you can just copy or duplicate the shutter button and place its copy anywhere on the screen. And it will work just like its big brother right here. And in order to get it back to its default position, just drag it there. The next tip is the fact that you can take photos by pressing on the volume button. Either volume button up, volume button down, doesn't really matter. Or you can also start or stop filming the videos with it, just like that. The next tip is the fact that just by pressing anywhere on the shot preview, you will be able to call up the brightness adjustment and adjust the brightness of your shot. So the most left position being the darkest and the right position being the brightest. The next tip is related to video filming. It is this little feature that is called Super Steady. It allows you to prevent the shaking of your frame. So for example, if you cannot hold your camera still or your hands are shaking for some reason, this option will definitely help. And the last tip for today is located in more section. It is called, as you can see, Bixby Vision. It has 4 cool features. The first one being the fact that you can translate the text that your camera recognizes. Let me show it to you real quick. So as you can see, it have translated the words on the clean liquid into English language successfully. The next feature is just simple text recognition. And after the camera has recognized the text that is on your shot, you can either copy, translate, select it, or search for it. The next feature is the fact that the Bixby Vision can scan the web for the similar objects. Let's see what it found. Well, something like that. And the last feature is, let me rescan it real quick. The last feature is able to find the wine label, which is a cool feature for the people who love wine. And after scanning the label, it will look up for the exact wine and let you know what wine is it and tell you a little information summary on it. And that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.